Hello and welcome to the online classes of computer science with Python. This is Renuka and today we are going to discuss about the math module and its functions. So what is a module? In our previous video we have discussed about the modules and you can see or view the link in the description section. A module basically is a file containing functions and variables defined in a different separate file, and modules make it easier to reuse the same code in more than one program. So if we are making modules, those modules can be imported in other files or in other programs. So that we have discussed in our previous video. Today we are going to discuss about the math module. Basically, math module is a standard module in Python and it is always available with Python. To use mathematical functions under this module, we have to import the module using import math. So first we have to write down the statement import math, then all the functions included in this math module can be used. And to use those functions in math module, we have to first mention math with dot operator, and then we can mention the seal, and this is known as dot notation. This is known as dot notation, where we mention or we can use the function with the help of module name and a dot operator. So this is known as dot notation. So first function we are going to study, and that is math seal. So it returns the ceiling of x as float. So how it returns? So consider example math seal 3.2. So 3 lies in two float numbers 3.0 and 4.0. So as it is saying seal, so it will return the greater value or equal to value, that is 4. So 3.2 lies in 3 and 4 and the greater value is 4, so it will return 4. Now take the example of minus 3.2. Minus 3.2 lies in minus 3 and minus 4. So greater is minus 3, so it will return minus 3. So this is how seal function returns the value. Next is floor. It returns the lower part, less than value. So if we say floor 3.2, floor 3.2 lies in 3 and 4, and it will return the least value, that is 3. So this is how floor and seal works. Then comes power, returns x raised to the power y. So if we say 3 raised to power 3, so it will return 27. So we can see these three functions, how they work, we can see in Python. So moving to Python shell. So this is how first we have to write import math, and then we can use math.seal 3.2, and it is returning the upper limit. Math.floor 3.2, it will return the lower limit, and then math.power 3, this will return 3 raised to power 3, that is 27. So moving to next function, that is math.square root. It helps to find out the square root of the given number, but calculation of negative value, if you try to find the square root of a negative value, it will result into an error. So only positive numbers square root can be found. Then absolute, this helps you to find the positive value of the given number. So here you can see that absolute we are not using with math module, because absolute is a inbuilt function of Python, not a part of math module. So next is f absolute. This is the part of math module. So being not the part of math module, we discussed absolute so that you can find out the difference between f absolute and absolute. So f absolute, it will return the value, again the positive value of the given number, but it will return the result with the help of math module. So if you write math dot f absolute, then only it will return the positive value of the given negative value. So what is the difference? Apps is a built-in function, where f apps is a defined in math module, and fabs function work only on float and integer, whereas absolute work with complex numbers also. So that is very much important, that where to use math module and where not to use. So absolute is a built-in function, no need to use math module, but f absolute is part of math module. Then comes maximum, that will return the maximum or the largest value of the given arguments, and similarly minimum will return the minimum value. This is again a method, no need function of Python, so no need to use math module. So we can see that how we can work with math dot f absolute, and then it will give, suppose it is -5, and it will return positive value. But if we say apps -5 without using math, it is giving positive value. Then max, also without using math module, you can find out the positive maximum number, largest number, so that is 7. Similarly for minimum, you can find out, give any random values and you can find out the minimum number, that is 2. So apps, max, minimum, they are the built-in functions of Python, and no need to mention the math module in front of them. So then next comes minimum, done. Then comes mod f. So this is method of math module that returns the fractional and integer parts, and the integer part it will return it as float. Basically it will separate out the fractional part and the integer part, but integer part it will display as float. So this also we can see on Python prompt, math dot it was mod f 13.45. so you can see first it is giving in the result in tuple form. First it is giving the fractional part and then the integer part, but the integer part 13 is also shown in float form, that is 13.0. so next comes next function related to math module are trigonometric functions. So you can find out the cosine, sine or tan value of any value given in brackets in radians. So we can also see this how to find. So this is a prompt, math dot sine 90, it will return 0.89. math dot cosine 0, it will return 1. So likewise you can find out the values. So moving to next part of math module, that is log 10, logarithm with base 10, it will return the value. So find math dot log 10 in the brackets 100, it will return the log value of 100, that is 2.0. Now last is help. This method is used to know the purpose. It is not any mathematical do the mathematical calculations, but it will help you to know the purpose of a function. Suppose you forget any use of any mathematical function, how to use and what is the purpose. So you can use help command by import math, print help, in the bracket mention the function math.cos, math.sqrt, and it will show you the complete result. So we can see this command also. Open the prompt, Python prompt, here it is. So import math and then print, suppose print help, we want to take help for math dot cos. and this is how it will work. It will show you that cos x, return the cosine of x measured in radians, and no output. So this is how it will work. So this is with the math module functions. Please go through the video twice or thrice, and before that, if you wish, you can visit for modules once again to clear up the concept. Thank you very much. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.